Kumleshwin Viboro Kigerteng Jong Kibalapa second interview nam takapus junior athletic coach on the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs conducted by the Commission on the 24th November 2022 is hereby declared. The name of the successful candidate recommended by the Commission are as follow. Kigerteng Shri Bining Star Lingkoi, Shri Pleasant Lee Senna, Srimati Teresa A. Sangma, Shri Don Kupar Kharjana, Srimati Fidelia Sun. Kajing ay kublay namta kini kisan ngut bagila pas ya kanega interview namta ka post junior athletic coach. But kajing ay kublay kapakarpang nagaling jangan namta star Bining Star Lingkoi, balong ro inong mare papawnam jangka jela Meghalaya. Bat isar Don Kupar Kharjana bangala itu ithauba bat ngakarmen ba ka sports Meghalaya da kajing yo jonggine kene ka pus bakana kiu susu nang nei sakmat bat ba kinmi shibun ki klur ila ka sport jongka Meghalaya tangini jong betip kuble shibun.